my goodness. It cracked my mirror. Crazy? I'll have you know this is a 2018 Infinity. I've had a month. Thank you very much. What did you do? I thought you were a police officer knocking on my window. No, it's a bluebird. Tap, tap, tap. You're not a woodpecker. You're a bluebird. Whoa. What's my mirror? Oh, man. What are you trying to tell me? Well, you're beautiful. You're acting like a crazy hummingbird, but you're not a hummingbird. Oh my goodness. Hi. There's a glass window, honey. You can't come sit on my lap. You remind me of the cat in San Pedro. It just jumped in my window and went to sleep on my lap. Oh yeah, then there was the peacock over there too. You animals love me. I just can't figure it out. I'd roll down the window, but I don't want you to come in here and poop. What in the world? I'm never going to get a closer picture of a bird in my life. This is crazy. You're kind of whacked out, man. What are you doing up in your throat? Blowing bubbles? It's like he's trying to talk. Are you trying to speak? Look at him. It looks like he's speaking. What are you doing? See his throat, you guys? Did that loud noise scare you? You're fluttering around. And you're back again. Wow. What are you trying to say? Obviously something. Pecking on my glass? Pecking on my mirror at my back window. I got a different video. And even when I pounded my fist on the glass, you still come back and back and back. You're one crazy bird. Or you are trying to tell me something. What is it? What are you trying to say? Huh? You got some babies somewhere? What is it? You like my beautiful blue car? You are like wacky. This is my little birdhouse, not yours. My car, you guys, is a beautiful blue. Maybe it likes my car. Do you like Infinity QX? Huh? With metal flake? What in the world? You're not even scared of me. Wow. Hello. It's like flying out my window. Vic is missing all this. He'd probably scare you away anyway. Where are you now? On the ground. Well, it's a good place for you. I don't know what you're doing. Are you done with me? Wow.